Welcome, in front of me is a Denver SDQ, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, hold the power key, and from here, once you have the boot options, you want to hold power off. This will bring up the reboot to safe mode window. Confirm it by tapping on OK, and wait for the device to boot back up. And once it's back on, you will see that there is a message in the bottom left corner, safe mode. So the device is now in the desired mode, and that is how you would put it into it. Now, once you want to leave it, all you need to do now is hold the power key and simply select restart. And as you can see now that the device is back on, the safe mode message is gone and the device is back in normal mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.